How to allow sharing your posts and reels when you mention them in your stories on Instagram. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to allow others to share your posts and reels when you mention them in your Instagram stories. So let's jump right in. First, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, go to your profile and you can simply go to settings, or you can simply open your story. Tap on three dots and go to story settings, as you can see here. Now scroll down a little bit and find sharing tab. Here you can see sharing. Now, as you can see, allow sharing to story. If you simply mention the other people or your friends on your story, they will be able to share if the toggle is on. If not, then if you don't want them to share your mention, simply toggle that option off. And if you toggle this option on, they will be able to share your stories and post and reels whenever you tag them. And that's it. That's how you can simply allow sharing your posts and reels when you mention them in your stories on Instagram.